So you can see how it's going to work right here. And then when you're done, really easy to remove. So we can just peel it right back up. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Gaffer Power Gaffer Tape. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. This is available in multiple colors and lengths depending on your needs and preferences. You can see how it comes packaged to you right here. Very simple roll of tape that's sealed up. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at it up close. So here's the tape up close. Check it out. Everything looks great. So you can see it from this side and you can see it from the sticky side right here. Now let's go ahead and try it out. So you can see it in use right here. Check it out. Everything works great. So it's holding our cable in place. It's no longer a tripping hazard, right? If this was on the floor. So you can see how it's going to work right here. And then when you're done, really easy to remove. So we can just peel it right back up. And you're all set and ready to go. So overall, I've had a great experience with this tape, really easy to use. You can get really creative with all the different purposes you want to use this tape for. And I love that it doesn't leave any residue behind or anything like that. And it's surprisingly sticky. It's got great adhesion. So in my studio down here, I have a steel I-beam and an air duct running right next to each other. And I was able to tape up some cable between those two that I was running. And I was pleasantly surprised that I was able to stick on that steel I-beam without any issues and even the air duct. So overall, count me impressed. Very simple, straightforward product that works great. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.